Right, today we are doing a review of an endoscope. This little baby here. And if you don't know what an endoscope is, it's a miniature camera. Oh, what's this? £10 voucher, amazon.co.uk gift card. Huh? Limited time deal. £5, just leave 5-star review. £10, leave 5 stars picture review. Oh, just send an email to them with a screenshot for review you left on product page. Thanks for your support. Well, as always, I can only give an honest review, but yeah, bonus. That could be a real bonus. Yeah, we'll see how good it is first, and then we'll decide whether it's worth 5 stars or not. So get out of the way. I won't lose that. What else? What else you got in the bag? In the bag. That wasn't in the bag, was it? This is in the bag. How do I open it? Put it apart. So what do we have? Is that it? Oh, something else here. I'll have a look in that. So instructions. Doesn't look like there's a lot there. It's got some Q codes there, and in Chinese. I'm assuming that's Chinese. Could be totally wrong. So I do apologise. But yeah, I'll have a read that later. Oh right, this is the endoscope. See that? That is the camera. So it's smaller than mine now. Yeah, see that? That is it. That is it. Ideal for going down things like drains. Maybe a bit too big to go down your throat. But yeah, that is an endoscope. I think the cable length I chose was 10 meters. So what we got here? USB Type C. And what's this? Well, that's a USB, or looks like a USB, with a funny bit on the end. See that? Now, how does that work? I've not seen one like that before. Oh, hang on, I think that moved. Oh, it does. Ah, very clever. So that is a USB. So you have it as a USB like that, and that would be for plugging into your phone. That is well clever. I'm quite impressed with that. That's smart. Yeah. So there's 3 different types of connections there, maybe 4 actually. There's a female connection there as well, look. I'm not sure what you'd use that for, but there you go. So you have USB Type C, USB, probably a Type 1 or Type 2, and a connection for your phone. Very clever. I actually bought it to put into my computer because I want to do videos showing more clearer pictures and getting in deeper without getting in the way of the camera or the camera getting in my way, if that makes sense. So I thought, well, that would be perfect, something like that. So that's your controls. So it's a button, and I'm not sure, is that focus or something? I don't know. Never used one of these before. This is a first for me. I've never had one before, so I don't really know. And what's in here? Some bits and bobs. That looks like a mirror, so I'll take it to screw it onto there somehow. Let's screw on there. It's got a thread on the end. Oh yeah, yeah, look. So you screw that onto the end like that, and it allows you to look that way instead of straight on. I'm assuming that's how it works. Yeah, that's very good. That's very clever. What else you got? What else? So you've got, I think that's a magnet. Let's pick that up. That's not a magnet. I'm sure that's a magnet. I don't know. I've got nothing here where I can try it on. Oh, actually, yes I have. This should be magnetic. Or perhaps it's not magnetic. Oh, yeah. Yes, it is. It's a magnet. So that's a magnet. So, say for instance, you drop something really small down a hole, that will pick it up. So that's clever. And that's a hook. So that's a little hook. Now, I'm assuming you have something to do with this and this. So how does that work? Goes in there like that. I'll get that. So put that in there. Where would that go? Oh, right, it's a little hole there. A little hook. So move that out of the way for now. So there's a little tiny hook there. See that? So that must go in there. And then you put that over there. Slide that down. Oh, there's a little lump there. There's a little tiny lump. Push it over the lump, which will probably hold it in place. Oh, that's very good. That's very easy. And obviously you can swap it over. Use that one. Oh, very good. So hook it out, baby, hook it out. Oh yeah, it works really well. Ah, see, very clever. I wasn't planning to hook anything out, but as it comes with the kit, it's very handy. Right, I'm not sure how to use it on my computer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just plug it into the computer, load up the Windows camera software and see if it works from there. So with that, I'll be back. Right, first things first, we are using Windows 10 and we are using Windows' own app, which is the camera app that actually comes with Windows 10. So I've used an extension lead from the USB to my computer just to make sure we can get it close as possible. So just plug that into the USB and it should work straight away, and it has. I can see it on my screen and you will see what I'm showing you now. So this is my keyboard. Actually, I'll bring my keyboard in closer so you can see it. So yeah, my keyboard, and it's a bit dirty at the moment as well. So J. So yeah, that has got RGB on it, and yeah, that is picking up nicely, nice and clear. The adjustments, I've had a little play about the adjustments. This is a recording button, so you press that for recording, but it will not record, and the reason for that is because it's designed for an app on your, like your Android phone or something like that, so that won't work. But the button or the dial on the side is for adjusting the brightness of the light. See that? See? So it goes up quite bright actually. I just wanted to show you that. So let's have a look. So yeah, that picks up really nicely. Let's do something that's got no light on it. So my mouse is actually turned off. This is my wireless mouse. The cable is quite stiff, but then it's designed to go down pipes. So there you go. So that's with no light on it whatsoever. So I'm going to turn the light up and see what happens. That's full brightness. And you can adjust it just about right. It looks about perfect, doesn't it? So yeah, pretty good. What we're going to do now is I'm going to put it inside my computer and see how well it can see it. So this is my main computer. Let's find something that's just got nothing bright on it whatsoever. I think that's upside down here. There you go. Let's adjust the brightness. That's full. No, that's full, sorry. That's right off. Oh yeah, it picks up nice. Can read that nice and clearly. Same kind of motherboard. So yeah, you can read that nice and clearly, can't you? So something like that. What about that? Where are we? Up here. That's a little controller. Need a bit of light in there, I think. Yeah, a bit of light. Very good. That works really well. I'm quite impressed with the quality myself. I wasn't expecting it to be absolutely fantastic, but it's a lot better than I expected it to be. Logitech, you can read that. That's about, probably about 5 inches away, something like that. An app I'm using to help with the filming. So yeah, let's see, that's on my tablet. There's no light, doesn't shut up very well. And a drink, and that's a Coca-Cola. This is supposed to be waterproof, but I'm not going to try it. You're going to have to take my word for it. Turn the brightness up. That's full brightness. The lighting is for my ceiling lights, if you're wondering where the light's coming from. Of course, the gaming. Yeah. Turn the brightness up again. See, that's too much. Yeah. Turn that down. Turn it off. They're quite impressive. Like I said, better than I thought it was going to be. My mouse. And considering how much you're paying for it, yeah, it's definitely better than I thought. So that is that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use the app, the one you download from the app. Now, before I plug it into the app or into my phone, a couple of things to bear in mind. One is, I'm not using the app that they recommended because I was very disappointed in the app that they recommended. It kept going down on me, so even though I'd done an update, there was an update for it, it still kept playing about. So I went on to the App Store, found a different one and downloaded that, and it worked a lot better. So the way this works is, I believe the way you need to do this is called Endoscope, that baby there. But before you start it, you've got to plug it in first. So you plug this in first. The other thing I was going to mention is, although this is quite flexible here, the rest of it is quite stiff and it will tend to fall out sometimes. So you might want to fix it in place with something, I'm not sure how. Basically all you do is make sure it's plugged in first, like I said, and then start it up. Camera, and it's on photographs. We want, there it comes up straight away, so if you press that, we'll take a photograph. We want to do video, so that is recording video right now. As you can see, it says record, or well, it says pause, but I don't want to pause it. So again, we are just doing my keyboard. Like I said, it will come out your phone quite easily, or will on mine anyway. And it's gone off. Why have it gone off? Disconnected. See what I mean? See? Disconnected. So that is a bit annoying. So yeah, one of the things to bear in mind, has to be careful it doesn't disconnect, because if it comes out, I don't know if it works on like this for all apps, but I know it works like that on this app. Again, we'll start back up. Oh, better stop that. Stop recording. Start up again. It's plugged in. Just press OK. Connected. We want that. Press record. Like I said, make sure it doesn't move about on your phone. If you don't move about, it should be fine. So look, there's no light on that. Oh yeah, works really well. That's probably the only thing I find annoying, is if you're going to plug it into your phone or maybe your tablet. Tablet will be USB Type-C, I would have thought. It's a bit of a better connection, but something to bear in mind, if you're going to go around with your phone, it might keep coming out, unless you can find a way of fixing it in, to hold it in place. But apart from that, yeah, it works. The lead is, like I said, it's very stiff, but then it's designed to go down pipes and things like that. So you're doing it too flexy, because it will not go down the pipes, it will just crease up or something. So yeah. So I am definitely going to be using this for some of my videos in the near future. So with that, what do I think? Yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. For £23, £24, I think it was, something like that. It's definitely well worth the money. You know, obviously they need to work on their app. I did try and go to their actual website to download the app, but that didn't work neither. So best off using the App Store. But apart from that, definitely worth the money. And with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.